Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to introduce you with Jonathan Livingston Seagull, a book by Richard Bach, an easy read book with 87 pages, out of which 41 pages are filled with images of seagull. A read time of less than an hour, but the message it conveys can be cherished for your life. It was not easy to understand the book in the first read, but a couple of readings gave an in-depth understanding of the author's message. Without wasting much time, let us now dive into the world of Jonathan Seagull. Jonathan was no ordinary boy. He loved to fly. Flying for him was not just a means to sustain life, it was life. Jonathan's parents were not happy. His mother told him to leave flying to the pelicans, and his father told him to study about food and how to get it. When all seagulls were flying at 50 feet, Jonathan was attempting 2000 feet. When other seagulls were flying at 40 miles per hour, Jonathan was practicing at 180 miles per hour. One day, after his practice session, he was returning to the beach in the late evening, satisfied with his recent personal best. He thought his flock would appreciate and recognize his achievements, but instead, they made him stand in the center and outcast him from the flock for his madness about flying. An outcast bird can never return to the flock and was forced to live and die in solitude. Jonathan left the flock and flew towards the mountains. When other seagulls were chasing the fishing boats for breadcrumbs, Jonathan catches were rare and tasty fishes 10 feet below the water. Jonathan discovered that boredom, fear, and anger are why a seagull's life is so short, and with this gone from his heart, he lived a long and a happy life. On one fine day, when Jonathan was flying, two beautiful shining seagulls came near to him and said that, "We are your brothers. We have come to take you higher, to take you home." Jonathan thought for a moment that it was a call from heaven and said, "I am ready at last," and disappeared into the perfect sky with two bright seagulls. Jonathan thought that he reached heaven, but later realized that it was just another world where a few seagulls were practicing their flying techniques on the beach. In this world, he meets Chiang, the elder bird in the flock. Chiang always advised the birds that there was more to life than eating and fighting for power in the flock. We choose our next world through what we learn in this world. Learn nothing, and the next world is the same as this world. Soon Chiang was moving to a new world. Jonathan inquired Chiang about whether he is going to heaven. Chiang replied that there is no such a place as heaven. Heaven is not a place and it is not a time. Heaven is being perfect, and perfection does not have limits. Before leaving Jonathan, Chiang advised, "As you soar higher in the sky, you will know the meaning of kindness and love, which is the most powerful tool to master. So keep working on love and kindness." Soon, Chiang disappeared. In fact, he moved on to a new world. After Chiang left, Jonathan started training other seagulls, but his heart always longed for Earth, where he wanted to help other young girls fly. After some initial hesitation, Jonathan left for Earth. Just like Jonathan, Fletcher was also exiled from the flock, as he too had passion for high-speed flying. One day on his practice, he saw a bright white seagull flying next to him. It was our Jonathan. Soon 4 more outcast seagulls joined Jonathan. Jonathan started teaching them what he had learned about flying. Everything that limits us, we have to put aside. Jonathan decided to return to the flock and made a high-speed landing on the flock's beach along with the students. Elders of the flock stopped the members of the flock from looking at Jonathan and his team. Undeterred, Jonathan started practicing on the council's beach. During the night, a few birds started listening to Jonathan's teaching. The only true law is that which leads to freedom. After a month, the first seagull disobeyed the council and joined Jonathan's team. Every day, the crowd started to grow, and the birds came to admire and idolize Jonathan. The council started spreading false rumors about Jonathan, saying he was the devil who had come to destroy our flock. But the flock started seeing Jonathan as God. Before he left, Jonathan told Fletcher, "Don't let them spread silly rumors about me or make me scared. I am a seagull, I like to fly." And one fine day, Jonathan vanished into empty air, handing over his responsibilities of training the new seagulls to Fletcher. After you finish reading, think you are the Jonathan. Start approaching your life and activities towards perfection. I am sure you will reach a next level in your life soon. All the very best. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family members. See you soon with another book.